Yes, thank you very much, Ning, for this kind invitation and Kongsi to organize this workshop. Thank you very much. Yes, it's a pleasure to talk about that issue. And you see, both of us are, of course, we are um, dads and moms, but at the moment we are especially grandparents. And so it's about a lot of personal experience with our children and grandchildren that we bring with us. And of course, our professional career was always alongside um, yes, childhood and workshops on childhood. Ning, you had been speaking about that we become mothers and fathers by nature, but we are not parents by nature. This is really something we have to learn. And you mentioned that a kindergarten teacher or teacher has a training in that. And we have no training for parents, not at the moment. And this is really lacking. Especially most of the younger generation, they do not have a lot of siblings. So they do not know from the growing up of their siblings and maybe others how to care for them, how to educate them, how to parent them. So there are not so much role models. And our roles as fathers and mothers need to be defined and have to go through a lot of challenges. And yes, in this workshop, we will give some perspectives how to develop um, becoming parents, becoming, let's say, people, human beings that accompany other human beings into their lives.